Playercoin cryptocurrency has been launched. Playercoin is a new concept of game promotion through the use of tokens to reward both players and developers and facilitate the purchase of content through a simple, robust, reliable and decentralized system. Concept: Playercoin is a crypto coin that will serve as a reward token for players and developers. To allow this, we make use of the blockchain technology for its safety, comfort, simplicity of use and decentralization. Unlike other crypto coins that require dedicated hardware to acquire rewards through proof of work, our intention is to offer such rewards to the players. The concept would be a proof of playing, where who plays acquire coins that later can use in other games or change in the different traders. This allows a fair distribution of coins, since the cost to acquire them is not based on the computational capacity of each one, but in the time that one dedicates and its abilities. It is perhaps the best example of meritocracy in an environment like this. For technical needs, there will also be proof of stacking with the objective of guarantees fast and effective transactions through the blockchain. Also, we have a block reward system that ensures a difficulty to acquire coins through has value on the markets at any time. By creating an environment that rewards players for the use of their time and skills allows us to offer game developers a very interesting platform to promote their brand and products. The use of Playercoin is free for developers and allows them to introduce their games into an ecosystem of players motivated to know new products. Playercoin tokens can be used to build freemium business models, and these tokens can be converted into money by selling to different traders. Another advantage is that the developers do not have to manage any type of payment, since all are made using a technology of proven security, and that, being decentralized, guarantees that they will be able to use it while they consider it necessary, without ourselves. For players, it is an important advantage to be able to use their tokens, whether won by skill, whether purchased in the market, in different games. So they have more freedom to explore new games, which benefits developers because it allows them to break into the market more easily. Examples of use. The most immediate use is the example we put through the 2 games for Android that we expose, reward players based on their score by using vouchers to get coins. The ratio of exchange can be finely tuned by the difficulty of each game and for the block reward system that limits the number of coins that can be given each day. This system guarantees motivated and loyal players as they are rewarded immediately after each game with game tokens. Other cases where these tokens may be useful is to unlock levels of games, based on the principle that someone with game tokens is someone with some experience in games, although it is true that they will be able to buy extra tokens in the markets. The total freedom of the developer to establish his price range for the various additions he wants to give the characters allows each developer to create a perfect freemium ecosystem for their game without losing any of the advantages of sharing a common currency coin. Future applications. By creating a strong ecosystem of motivated players and favoring the development of new games, the possibilities for future uses are very large, from DLC, freemium service models, remunerated gamification for different services, which opens a universe of possibilities in the most varied areas, or creation of awards based on tokens. Technical details. Coin details. It is a currency of 150 million monetary units maximum, of which there are 100 million in pre-mining, leaving 50 million for the POS. The 100 million in pre-mining will be used 50% for the ICO and the rest for the proof of playing. API details. We are in the process of defining API specifications, and we are especially interested in invite all developers to help us set priorities so we can start working together from minute zero. 3C cases of use. Right now we have a rewards service as a concept test system. The client downloads one of the sample games and at the end of a game is rewarded with the coins based on the amount of score by generating a custom coupon that can be exchanged at https //playerworldcoin/redeem PHP use of tokens rewards. Players will acquire tokens as rewards based on their score by playing the different games that are proposed to them. The reward will depend solely on the skill and time of the player. In addition, as a promotion for the service is held weekly a lottery among all users of the currency with great prizes. If the player needs more tokens to buy certain services in any game, he can access the different markets to buy the necessary tokens at the market price. Intergames uses. Being a unique platform that seeks on the one hand to unify the way of payment between different games and on the other hand try to favor the creation of new games to take advantage of the mass of players with available tokens, we hope that these tokens are used as an effective and quick way to acquire advantages or customizations within the games, in the business model called freemium. As the tokens can be used in any of the games and acquired in them or buying in the market, the developers will justly compensate their efforts according to the preferences of the players' market trading. Playercoin tokens will be available on different trading platforms in order to guarantee on the one hand that the developers will have an economic compensation for their efforts and on the other that players can quickly acquire at market price the tokens they need to purchase the enhancements or customizations they want in games that support Playercoin. Part of the ICO will be used to establish support for the purchase of player coins, in order to guarantee developers from the first moment a remuneration for their effort. Ecosystem. Developers. Developers will play a key role in the Playercoin ecosystem. With an extensive and varied offer of games available in the system, more mass of players will be available. By offering your game to a community of players focused, willing to play and with money in the form of player coins available for immediate use will have a huge advantage. This may be especially interesting for small studios or new agents who want to make themselves known quickly and at the same time watching their work paid. Gamers. Players will have access to a multitude of games of all kinds with the peace of mind that the investment, whether time, skills or money in case of buying tokens in the market, is profitable to use in different games. They will also be able to monetize the time and abilities dedicated to the game by selling their tokens to other players through the trading platforms. You are welcome to watch our other videos, leave a comment, click like or dislike, share it, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.